Hello guys, my name is Fabian. Thank you for watching this video. So I'm here on my piece of land in Portugal. I've just finished building our home. Well, it's not finished yet, but it's it's good enough, and we're living in it, so it's very nice. So I'm having some spare time now, and I'm going to create my own crawler track. So I've got a small piece of land in that direction. It's a small hillside, and I'm planning to clean that and make some obstacles and just transform it into our own crawler track. So during this process, I want to take you with me so you can see what I'm creating, what I'm doing, and maybe you can, maybe I can inspire you, or maybe you can have some ideas or share some ideas you have that I can create over here. So let's go over there, and I will show you the small piece of land that I'm mentioning. We start from there. So behind me is the small hill that I want to transform into our crawler track. So let's walk through it, and so I can show you what it is, and show you the work we have to do to create something nice over here. So there are a lot of trees over there. There's also some big rocks, a lot of debris from wood cutting, and a lot of leaves and everything. But it's a nice piece. It's a nice area to transform. So if we walk to this side, you can see it's raising in height. I think it's from the bottom here to the top. I think it's maybe 10-15 meters in height. But the nice thing of this small hill, that it's got a lot of big rocks and boulders and everything. So it's a good natural starting point to create the crawler track. So let me see if I can show you this piece. So if you look over there, you can see a very big boulder. And over there are some other small boulders. Maybe you can see them. Yeah, I think you can. I hope you can. So if you look to the other side here, you will see a lot of trees, but also a lot of dead trees. So I have to watch my step so I'm not falling over. So yeah. So I've turned the camera around so you can see the things I'm mentioning, and you can have a feeling about the area that we are going to transform into the crawler track. So there are a lot of dead trees and overgrown areas and a lot of leaves, as you can see, but there are very nice big boulders like over there. We've got a lot of tree which we can use to hang some bridges, some other obstacles in. So that's very nice. So if you look over here, yeah, more dead trees. Let's carefully cross that to show some other parts. So this is a very nice area to use. There's a very big boulder over there which we can use. So yeah, it's looking very nice. It's very natural, and we can do a lot of things with it. So let's walk over here. So another big boulder and a lot of overgrown areas. Another trees. Yeah, so the area itself has got a lot of potential, and let's create something nice out of it. Alright guys, so I've shown you the piece of land that I want to use to make our own crawler track. So this is the first video of the series that I'm going to make. If you're liking this video and if you want to see what I'm going to create, yeah, please thumbs up and like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you got any ideas about the things that I can make or should make or do or change, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.